Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how I can install all the drivers of Windows 11 on my Surface Go 2 over here. As you know, when you go to Microsoft Surface homepage, you cannot find any drivers that relate to Windows 11 because Windows 11 not officially support Microsoft Surface Go. So how you can install the drivers for this version, I will show you very quick in this video. I use the apps called Driver Booster. You can go to this link over here, iob.com/driver booster. You just need to download the free version and install it. Now you can see we have Driver Booster installed over here. To install and update all the drivers, you choose the scan option. I will choose scan. You can see we have 22 outdated device drivers like camera, monitor, sounds, Bluetooth, and now I just click update over here. Now all the drivers download and update automatically. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything related to Microsoft Surface. I will see you in my next videos.